Hi friends, I am Gunjan and today in this video I am going to talk about how to become rich. Like in this video will be long, probably 30 more than 30 minutes, because in this video I'm going to decode everything step by step. Okay, how to become rich, how to create wealth. And before doing that, I want to say one thing. See, maybe on my video on this channel I'm getting 2 views, 3 views, 4 views. It's okay, because this video I'm making not for getting views and not for monetizing it. Okay, this video is just my own video note. Okay, whatever I am saying you do this, do that, I'm not saying you, I'm saying that to myself. Okay, so I will not be dishonest with myself. I'm not going to lie with myself. Okay, whatever I'm saying, I am saying those things to myself. Okay, so like these are all concept, like how to become rich is video note for me, is voice note for me. Whatever I am going to say you is I am saying to say you. Whatever I am going to suggest you, I am going to suggest myself. So this is the thing. Maybe it's 5 view, 8 views, it's okay, but I'm not using them as for monetizing and all those things. Okay, so thanks first of all for watching, and let's just start. Today I'm going to decode all the algorithms and inner secrets of becoming rich and becoming wealthy. See, I have learned almost all the biographies of multi-billionaires, self-made billionaires and millionaires. Around I have read around 1,000 biographies. I have read almost all the book which is having word millionaire, how to become millionaire, how to think like a millionaire, secret of millionaire mindset, becoming millionaire, 1 minute millionaire, like every book. First I read all the biographies of self-made billionaires and self-made millionaire and self-made multi-millionaire. Second, I have learned and read all the books of millionaire and all those things. So I will derive my concepts, my mental framework from everything. Okay, so it is very important. So before knowing the thing how to become rich, first let's define who is rich. Okay, so in my point of view and according to society, any person is rich who is having high flow of money plus high liquid net worth. Again, first high flow of money, and second high liquid net worth. And I will little break it. First, you only need high flow of money primarily to become rich. It means high flow of money, later I will decode it, but first you need high flow of money, high cash flow every month, as much high as you can bring. You can bring 1 lakh flow of money every month, 2 lakh flow of money every month, 100 lakh flow of money every lakh, 5 cr flow of money every month, as much high money as much you can, you have to bring. First thing, any rich you can see around you, either they are actor, either they are a sports person, either they are whatever else, they have two things in common. First, they have very high flow of money, and second, they have very high liquid net worth. What does I mean by liquid net worth? First, what is net worth? Net worth means all of your assets minus liabilities, that is called net worth. And liquid net worth means that your net worth is not fixed, your net worth is constantly growing, day by day your net worth is growing. And a little note I want to say on this, who is rich, you only need high flow of money, you don't have to worry about high liquid net worth. Because if you will able to derive high flow of money for say 1 lakh a month, 100 lakh a month, 5 cr a month, 10 cr a month, then high net worth or high liquid net worth will automatically get built. So you just have to focus high flow of money. Okay, it is clear. And second thing is I will say why they are rich. Okay, now you have got idea who are rich. Okay, uh, the person is rich if they are having high flow of money plus high liquid net worth. Okay, uh, now second point, why they are rich. I will say they are rich first because they are selling something to someone. Second, they are selling something to someone either at a very large scale but very minuscule profit margin on each item. First, either they are selling, first they all are selling something, and second, they selling something at very large scale of people at very low or very minuscule profit at each item, or either they are selling to very low amount of people but at a very high margin of profit. For example, I can sell this pen to 20 lakh of people, and 5 rupees profit margin from each. So if I am able to sell this number in one day, then I'm selling this pen to 20 lakh of people, and and from each pen I am able to derive 5 rupees margin, and easily I am able to generate 100 lakhs. Okay, so this is a thing. Or either I am selling this pen to only 1000 people, but from each pen I am able to generate 5 lakh of profits, 6 lakhs of profit, 1 lakhs of profit. See, first thing, you have to sell anything, man. To become rich, either you sell. See, everyone is selling. Whoever is rich, everyone is selling. See, at whatever at whatever uh, in whatever magnitude they are rich, in the same proportion, at whatever proportion they are rich, in the same proportion they are selling. Anyone you see, either they are actor, either they are athlete, either they are businessman, either they are entrepreneur, either they are a startuppreneur, either they are serial entrepreneur, either they are businessman, either they are whatever they are, uh, everyone is selling. Why don't you understand? To become rich you have to sell something, and after selling you have to figure out, you have to sell that pen. First, you have to sell something, for example this pen, and after selling, as a second step, you have to decide you want to sell this pen as a large amount of people, very large amount of people, at a very minuscule profit from each pen, for example 1 rupees, 2 rupees. Or second way is you want to sell this pen to very limited number of people, but from each people you are generating very high level of profit margin. You only have two ways. First, you have to sell whatever you sell to whomever you sell, I don't know, but first you have to sell. And second thing, after selling you have to think, either you have to sell in a scale, and either you have to sell in magnitude. A selling in a scale means you are selling this pen at a very high, at a very large scale, but at a very low profit margin on each pen, like say 1 rupees profit margin, 2 rupees profit margin on each pen, but you are selling this pen at thousand millions of people, tens of millions of people. This thing is called a scale. A scaling at a sale, selling at a scale. And second thing is selling at magnitude. This means you are selling this pen to only 5000 of people, but from each people you are successfully able to generate 1 lakh of profit margin, 2 lakh of profit margin, 3 lakh of profit margin. Is clear? First I said who is rich. The person is rich who is having high flow of money. What does I mean by high flow of money? High flow of money is whatever profession he is doing, whatever job he is doing, he is rich in the proportion he is able to generate cash flow every month. As much cash flow, as much flow of money you can generate every month. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 100 lakh, 200 lakh, 5 cr, 100 cr, as much money as you can generate. First, every rich is having high flow of money plus high liquid net worth. But at high liquid net worth, you don't have to worry. If you got high flow of money, high liquid network will follow you. And second thing, how they are rich, they are selling something. First thing I said, in how they are rich, they are, first of all, they are selling something, and second, they are selling something either in magnitude or either in a scale. And you know what is magnitude and what is a scale. A scale means selling something at very large amount of people but at a very mini scale or low profit margin on each item. Or magnitude means selling something at very limited number of people at a very high number of profit margin from each item. Okay, and now I will derive my first principle. Okay, now these 2 points, who are rich and why they are rich, are introduction. Now I am really going to dive into how you can become rich. Now I will decode every algorithm and every inner secrets of becoming rich. So first point I will have, you need cash flow as much high as you can. You need flow of money as high as you can. For example, if now you are generating 1 lakh flow of money every month, then increase it. I don't know what you will do to increase it, but increase it to 5 lakh a month, increase it to 10 lakh a month, increase this flow of money to 20 lakh a month, increase this money to 50 lakh a month, increase this money to 100 lakh a month. The more you will increase, the more rich you will become. The more you will increase, the more rich you will become. And second thing, how you are going to, for example, now you are generating 1 lakh a month, how you will generate 2 lakh a month, 5 lakh a month, is all about option. And this option is all about your financial mental framework. This option, how you are going to generate. For example, now I am able to generate 45,000 a month from my job, but I have option to generate again another 45,000 from freelancing. Again I have option to generate another 1 lakh from my third startup business. Again I have to generate from another 1 to 2 lakh from selling my business. Like, it's all about option. The more option you have, for what? To generate the more flow of money, the more rich you will become. Again, first point I said, you need option. Second, you need cash flow, you need flow of money as much high as you can. And second, the more option you have, for what? To generate that flow of money, the more rich you will become. Average poor person have only one option to generate their flow of money: job or either low level of business. But a businessman, a successful business, have the more option. For example, you know Richard Branson of Richard Branson. He is a famous entrepreneur of Virgin Group. He has around 400 businesses. The more option, he has 400 option. The more option you will have, and the more rich you will become. Okay. And second point, second point is, take that again flow of money and again generate flow of money from that flow of money. Okay, as a whole you can call this thing investing. First principle to becoming rich, I said, generate as much flow of money as you can. 1 lakh a month, 2 lakh a month, 5 lakh a month, 3 lakh a month, 100 lakh a month. I don't know how you are going to generate. Whatever way you are using now, use option, increase your option and generate as much money as you can. And second principle I said, again use that flow of money to generate again flow of money. Like, treat every money in your bank account is a army, and assign those each army to win and conquest more army. Okay, treat every money in your wallet, every money in your bank account as a fleet of well-trained army, and again use that well-trained army to again conquer and capture more army, so that you can generate more and more army. So second principle, use again that flow of money to generate again flow of money. It's like of recursive loop. Again use that again like a recursive loop. So first I said, you need as much cash flow as you can, flow of money. Second I said, use again that flow of money to generate again flow of money. Third I will say, you need to start something. you need to build something on your own. In other words, you need to start your own business. Okay, to becoming rich, you need to generate flow of money. But to generate that flow of money, you cannot generate that flow of money at maximum level by job, unless you are top level of CEO and vice VP or something else. But even those are not able to sustain their wealth as rich. So third point, in becoming rich, you need to start something of your own. You need to build something of your own. Okay, and why you need to? Okay, third point I said, in becoming rich you need to start something your own, you need to build something your own. But as a fourth point, why you need to start something your own, why you need to build something your own. For the same question I will put my fourth point as an answer to the same question. Again, for third point I said, in becoming rich you need to build something your own, you need to create something on your own. And in fourth point I will say why you need to build something on your own. And the fourth point is to follow maximum ownership and maximum scale. Okay, what is maximum ownership? For example, the more you own something and the more that something is scalable, in the same proportional you will become rich. First you have to own something, and second, after owning something, sell that something at a very large scale. In the same proportion you will become rich. Like, for becoming rich you have to own something, and after owning that something you have to sell that something, and at the third step, after selling that something you have to sell that something at a very large scale. At that four you have to sell that large scale, and you have to have very large amount of ownership in that. For example, Sridhar Bamboo. Sridhar Bamboo is founder and CEO of Joho. Joho is a SaaS software as a service business. So you won't believe, after all taxes, after all expenses, Joho founder Sridhar Bamboo is able to earn $1 million net profit every day in his personal bank account. Individually, he is able to earn. Why? Because his business is able to. Joho made around 70-100 CR revenue, 70-100 CR net profit last year, and out of that, Sridhar Bamboo is having 89% ownership in Joho. So if you will translate 89% ownership of 70-100 net profit margin, then you will get Sridhar Bamboo has made or earned $1 million each single day. Why? Because first he is selling something, second he is selling that something at more scale, third, in that selling something he has ownership, he has 89% stake. Very simple, man, everything is law. So I said, you have to sell something, you have to own something, and that you have to sell that something, and third, you have to sell that something at very scale, and fourth, you have to have very large number of ownership in that selling and in that scaling. Okay, fifth point I will say, you can't become rich by adding value in society. All the business, all the stock market, all the investing is all about adding value. Like, society and market work on very set number of rule. It will reward you only if you will follow the rule. You can't become rich by adding value in society. For example, I said you have to sell something, and you have to sell that something at very large scale. If you are not adding value to society, if you are not adding value to someone by your that something, then who will buy that? Just forget about buying that at larger scale. If I am not adding any value by this pen, why you will buy this pen from me? Forget about me selling this pen at very large scale. First I have to add any value out of this pen, then you will buy this pen. So you have to add value in society. Without adding value, you can't become rich. Whoever is rich, either subconsciously or consciously, they are fucking adding crazy value in society. Bill Gates is rich. He is adding immense value in society. Elon Musk is rich. He is adding insane number of value to whole humanity. Forget about society. The more value you will add, the more rich you will become. See, society will reward you. So you can't become rich. Fifth rule is you can't become rich without adding value to society. Some YouTubers are rich because they are adding value na to the listener. Some actors are rich because they are adding value as a form of entertainment to their audience. Some YouTubers are rich because they are adding value as a form of infotainment information to their listener. Some athletes are rich because they are adding value in form of entertainment and fun to their audience, to their followers. Some businessman is rich because they are adding value. Okay, Joho founder Sridhar Bamboo is earning $1 million net profit individually every single day because he is adding value. I am too using Joho, and I am very happy by using Joho. They are providing very seamless and very clean experience with Joho. So you have to add value in society. Without adding value in society, you are not going to become rich. Why? Because for becoming rich, you have to sell something, and not sell something. You have to sell that something at very large scale. But for selling something, even at very low scale, you have to add any value in that something. Without that any value in that something, no one is going to buy that one. If this pen is not valuable to you, then why you will buy this pen from me? Just forget about me selling this pen at a very large scale. So fifth point is you can't become rich by adding value in society. And sixth point is algorithms of society and market always reward innovation. Sixth point is algorithms of society always rewards innovation. See, society and markets is running on a set of algorithms. If you will follow the rule of those algorithms, then market and society will automatically reward you in the proportion of your innovation. And what is innovation in the arena of market and society? Value adding. The more innovation you will do in value adding, either cost, either quality, or either experience. Add some innovation in this. Decrease the cost, increase the quality, increase the experience. The more innovation you will do in any product or in any services, the algorithm of market and society will reward you proportionally. Okay, so the more innovation you will do, innovation in what? Decrease the cost of something. Innovation is increase the quality of something. Innovation in increase the experience of some product or some services, and for it society and market will automatically reward you in the same proportion you have innovated cost, quality, and experience. So 6 point is then algorithms of society and market will always reward you in the proportion of your innovation. 7th point, I will say a business is nothing but a machine of value creation. 7th point, I said a business is nothing, a machine of value creation. See, whenever it comes to building wealth, becoming rich, it's all about adding value, man. Without adding value, you can't become rich. How can I say that? Without offering someone something genuine in whatever form, maybe that is in YouTube video, maybe that value is in form of some product, maybe that value is in form of some app, maybe that value is in some form of website, maybe that value is in some form of entertainment, maybe that value is in some form of information. Whatever you are selling, in whatever form you are selling, a business is nothing but machine of value creation. This is my 7th point. A business is nothing but machine of value creation. How? First, a successful business creates value for its, of course, users for whom they are selling. Second, it creates value for its employee. They pay them handsome amount of salary. Third value it creates for its investors. For example, Facebook. I'm also using Facebook. Facebook is adding value to millions and billions of users. Second, Facebook is adding value to lakhs of its Facebook employees. Third, Facebook is adding value to lakhs of its Facebook investors. Business is nothing but a machine of value creation, man, to all the parties. A successful business will immensely, immensely, immensely create value for its first users, second for its employees, third for its investors. Whatever business, either it is Facebook, Google, Zoho, Snapdeal, Flipkart, Lenskart, they all are adding value at three front. They are just machine of value creation. First they are creating value for its user. Second, they are creating value for its employees. Third, they are creating value for its investors. A business is nothing but a machine of value creation. That was my 7th point. 8th point I will make is phenomenon power of scalability in business you can get by using internet. My 8th point is phenomenal power of scalability you can get by using internet. Okay, I will decode this point. Basically, I am saying if you are selling this pen, but if you are using offline channel to this pen to sell this pen, if you are selling this pen traditionally, then maximum you can sell this pen to 1000 people. But if you will use the internet to sell this pen, then you can scale your sale. You can sell millions of people and even multi-millions of people at one time. So whatever you are selling, whatever product you are selling, whatever services you are selling, don't forget there is a very good escalator called internet. Always multiply your sale by using internet. If you are selling YouTube video, then use the internet. If you are selling this pen, then use the internet, man, to scale your sale. If you are not using internet to do your business in this 21st century, then you are missing something very big, bro. You have to use the internet. Like, internet is fucking crazy tool. Like, you can make millions of billions of money by just using internet in a right way. You just have to use the power of a scale that internet provides you. Okay, my all the points are done, and 9 point I will make. What are the primary, like my 9 point is, what are the primary sources of generate mainstream cash flow, mainstream flow of money? See, of first point I said you need cash flow to become rich. You need money to become rich in as much quantity as you can. You need money. And even first my question that who is rich, I said a person is rich if he is having high cash flow and high liquid net worth. So this cash flow is going again. What do you mean by cash flow and flow of money? It means if now you are earning 1 lakh a month and you want to become rich, increase that 1 lakh to 2 lakh to 3 lakh a month, 4 lakh a month, 5 lakh a month, 100 lakh a month, 200 lakh a month, 5 CR a month. The more you will increase, the more rich you will become, and automatically the more will be your flow of money, your net worth will automatically increase. This is the whole game. But 9 point is what primary sources you can generate mainstream flow of money. It is not universal, but according to me, I made 5 to 8 sources where you can generate flow of money. First is your own business, and second is someone else's business in the form of angel investor, in the form of venture, in the form of a stake buying, in the form of before IPO buying, in the form of through mutual funds, in the form of through bonds. And third is real estate. Fourth is entertainment production. Fifth is buy silver, gold, diamond and platinum. First primary source to generate flow of money, I said your always your own business. And second, if not your own business, then someone else's business. You have to participate in someone else's business. You know, Warren Buffett is rich because he has successfully participated in someone else's business. Okay, so either you can make your own business at that level, in the way the founder of Joho, Sridhar Bamboo did, or otherwise you can have a part in their business. Okay, so to be the part of someone else's business, you have 4 to 5 options. First, you can, as an angel investor, you can be a part of their business. As a venture capitalist, you can be a part of their business. Second option. Third option, a stake buying. By buying a stake, you can be a part of their business. Fourth option, before IPO buying, you can be a part of their business. For example, LIC is now going for IPO, but you have money in that large amount that you can go to LIC and say, I want to buy some of your share before going to IPO. And when you will buy, and just after going IPO, your money will decrease, like multiply. And fifth option is through mutual fund. If you are a retail investor, and through mutual fund and retail stock and bonds, etc. So one separate, it's almost half an hour, but one separate video I will make on options to generate flow of money. First is your own business. Second is participating in someone else's business in form of angel investor, venture capital, a stake buying, before IPO buying, through mutual fund, real estate, entertainment production, and buying silver, gold, and diamond and platinum. I will make a separate 30-minute video on these options. Like, I will give you a very powerful concept and mental framework, like how these things works. But for now, it's almost 32 minutes. So I already described how you can become rich. Like, it's all about generating cash flow, and you can only generate flow of money by selling something. Not by selling something, selling that something either at a very large scale or either at a very high magnitude. And I already told you, described you what is selling something at a scale and what is selling something at magnitude. And that point, I say, you have to add value in society. You can't sell anything. Forget about selling something at a larger scale. Even you can't sell anything without adding value to society. If I'm not adding any value to this pen, why will buy this pen from me? Fuck this. I have to add value. Like, everyone is generating money, either subconsciously or consciously. They are adding value to society. If some YouTuber is able to make lakhs of money a month, he is adding value through information, through entertainment. If some athlete is making money, he is adding value. If a businessman like Joho founder Sridhar Bamboo is able to make $1 million net profit, only he, every single day, and he is adding value from Joho. What is the problem in that? You have to add value. Without adding value, you can't become rich. And in the same proportion you will add value, in the same proportion you will become rich. For that, I made one point: market and society always rewards innovation in the same proportion. And innovation in the sense of decrease the cost, increase the quality, and increase the experience of what? Of some product, of some services. Add innovation in that now. Either invent something, or either invent something in already existing product. So this is it's almost going 34 minutes. I can go on and on. None stopping, guys. So let's end this thing as here, but listen this video again and again. I have shared my years of experience in this video, my whole mental framework of becoming rich. And this mental framework, I haven't got out of here, man. In beginning, as I have said, this video I am not making to generate lakhs of views, and then to monetize that view. I have my own ways to make money, and I am working on that. This video I am making as a voice note, as a video note, to say something to myself. I'm not saying this concept to you, I am saying this concept to myself, so that I can learn. And every time I am listening this video to learn myself. Okay, so this is my voice note, my video note. I'm not going to dishonest myself, and I'm not going to lie myself. So I am using these things, man. And these things I learned from thousands of books and thousands of biographies. Have to add value in society. Okay, bye. If you have liked the videos, then please like, and whatever suggestion you want to give, you can give me. And for now, have a nice day, and bye.